We are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, trip odometer, trip computer, suspension control electronic, tachometer, driver adjustable suspension, ride control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.